Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am going to be doing the final challenge prompt for this month, that word being winter. Like I need a reminder that it is cold and snowy this winter out there for me. I mean, I could just go look outside right now to see the snow, but either way, let's get into this painting. So when it came to this piece, I wanted to render this piece a bit more than I usually do when I make landscape paintings. Since snow itself is fairly uniform in color, I wanted to make sure I rendered out the piece well to really help differentiate the difference between the background and the foreground from each other. When I was making the background, I really tried to make everything very soft. So after laying down the paint, I took a larger, dry, hard brush and just swept the paint around until it was pretty soft and the amount of pigment was pretty thin. I made this piece with 3 layers to help with the depth of the piece. I have the mountains in the background, the trees in the midground, and mainly snow with some other stuff in the foreground. So I wanted to bring a little bit of the Midwesterner winter feel that I experience every year with the snow all over the pine trees. But I added a little bit more of the western style mountains in the back as well. Though I am not a huge fan of winter, I will admit that the snow in the wilderness is one of the prettiest things that you can see. But I am going to be quiet now and let you guys enjoy this last bit of the painting, and I will see you guys at the end of this video with the final results. Alright everyone, that is our completed piece using the word winter. I think this turned out really pretty and gave me a little reminder that not everything about snow sucks, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think about this piece down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, they're gonna be on the back of your brochure right in the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!